Hello, friends. Teacher Melissa here. I want to talk a little bit about what we will be learning this week. This week, we're going to learn about food. Food. Can you say food? Food. Now, do we eat the same food every day? Not really, right? We have different meals. Say with me, meals. Meals. What are meals? Meals son comidas, diferentes comidas, pero no solamente la comida como the hamburger or the egg, sino el plato de comida que se te sirve in the morning, in the afternoon, or at nighttime. Eso se le llaman meals, okay? So say with me, meals. Meals. Los diferentes platos que comen durante el día. Now, we usualmente, normalmente, we have 3 meals. The first meal when you wake up in the morning is breakfast. Can you say that? Breakfast. El desayuno. The second meal that we have, maybe at 11, 12, 12:30 in the midday, is lunch. Can you say lunch? Lunch. And then the third meal that we have is usually at 6 or 7 during the evening. Do you remember evening? Morning, evening, night. In the evening, en la tardecita, we have dinner. Can you say that with me? Dinner. Dinner. Que es la cena. Now, what happens if we get a little hungry? Nos da un poquito de hambre after breakfast, but before lunch, or maybe after lunch, but before dinner. Cuando nos da esa hambrecita, después, en la tardecita, un poquito más tarde en la mañana, o un poquito más tarde luego del mediodía, pero todavía no tenemos dinner, there's not dinner time. ¿Qué es lo que nosotros comemos? Una merienda, and do you know how we say that in English? Snack. Can you say that? Snack. Very good. So those are 4 vocabulary words that you will see with me this week. We're also going to learn other words about food. For example, what is this? Hamburger. Hamburger. Do you like hamburgers? Then we have fruits like apple, orange, and we also have pineapple. So you will see some words related to food. Oh, I have one more here. What is this? Egg, right? Egg. What letter does egg begin with? Do you remember? Letter E, because E says eh. Just a little review. Okay, my friends, and we will also learn how to use words to describe. What is that, teacher? Describe. Describe es describir. Decir cómo se ve algo, cómo se escucha, cómo se siente. Okay, so we're going to use words to describe, and then you're going to learn how to call those words. So if you have an apple, we can describe this apple by the color. Podemos describir el color. We could say that the apple is, what color is this? Red. So the word red is a word that describes. El color rojo, la palabra red, está describiendo, me está diciendo cómo se ve o de qué color es esta manzana, this apple. Now, if I show you the orange, let's describe the color of the orange. We say the orange is orange, right? But we can also describe the shape. También podemos describir la forma que tiene. So another word that you could use to describe the orange. So if we describe the color, we say orange. But what if we want to describe the shape? Do we say that it's a square shape? Is it a heart shape? Is a round shape or a circle shape? Those are words that we use to describe. We are going to also work with letter O that makes the sound and letter D that makes the D sound. We're going to practice how to write letter D because you know what? Letter D and letter B are very, very similar, right? Do you get confused with letter D and letter B? sometimes it happens, right? So if we have these hands like this, take your hands and make them like this. Now you look at them. When you look at them, this is going to be B, and this one is going to be D. Okay, so B, D. This is a trick that I want you to use when you're going to write letter B or letter D. Okay, friends, I will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.